Humans, skeletons and muscles. To know that a skeleton is needed for support, protection and movement. To understand how muscles work in pairs to allow movement and maintain posture. Types of animals. All animals can be separated into two basic groups, vertebrates and invertebrates. Vertebrates are creatures with a spine located inside their body. Humans fall into the category of vertebrates. Invertebrates are creatures without a spine or backbone in their body. Some invertebrates are tiny animals, but some can be large like a giant squid. Invertebrates can be divided into 5 main groups: insects, beetles, ants, and flies, crustaceans, shrimps, crabs, and lobsters, arachnids, spiders and scorpions, snails and slugs, worms. Do invertebrates have a skeleton? Invertebrates do not have a spine, bones, or an internal skeleton. However, they still need something to protect their bodies and keep them safe. Shells. Some invertebrates, like snails, have shells to protect themselves. Exoskeletons. Some creatures have a tough outer layer known as an exoskeleton. Animals like crabs, woodlice, and spiders rely on their exoskeleton for protection. The prefix exo means outside, so the word exoskeleton really means outside skeleton. How do invertebrates move? How do invertebrates move if they do not have bones? Invertebrates do not need bones inside them to help them move. They have muscles instead. The shells or exoskeletons protect them from any harm that affects the outside of their body. However, to move their body, they use lots of muscles to move or thrust forward. Vertebrates, skeletons and bones. All vertebrates have skeletons to support and protect their body and to help their body move. The human skeleton is made of bones. These bones grow as we grow. Some bones in the human body are big, like your legs, but some are tiny, especially in your ears. Functions of the skeleton. All of the bones in an animal's body have a specific purpose. They help an animal with protection, support, and movement. It's important for humans to keep their bones healthy by eating a healthy diet with enough calcium. This can be found in dairy products like milk and cheese. Protection. The skull protects an animal's brain, while the ribs shield the heart, lungs, and other essential organs. Support. The leg and backbone provide the support needed to keep an animal standing on all four or upright. Movement. An animal's muscles pull on their bones, helping them to move. The joints connecting bones, such as elbows and knees, make this easier. The human skeleton. Different parts of the human skeleton protect vital organs such as the brain, heart, and lungs. The spine and other bones hold our body upright and help us to move. The spine is made up of 33 stacked bones. The spine is a human's backbone. It helps you walk, twist, and move. The skull is made up of different bones that have fused together. It protects the brain. The ribcage protects a human's heart and lungs. Humans usually have 24 ribs in total. What are muscles? All vertebrates have muscles throughout their body. Muscles help animals to make movements, whether they are small or big movements. Did you know the smallest muscle in your body is only 6 mm long in your ear? Muscles are made from thousands of fibers like threads, which are stretchy. When they stretch and tighten, they help us to move movements. The muscles in our body help us have good posture and to circulate blood around the body. 3 types of muscles. There are 3 types of muscles in the human body: skeletal, smooth, cardiac. Skeletal muscles. Skeletal muscles are found under the skin. They are attached to our bones by something called tendons. Our skeletal muscles help to control movement, balance, and posture. Skeletal muscles can pull on bones, but they cannot push them back, so they have to work in pairs. Smooth muscles. Smooth muscles are involuntary muscles. This means that we do not need to think about moving them or remind them to move. They are in the wall of some of our internal organs, and they help those organs to work properly. The intestine inside your tummy and diaphragm under your lungs are both types of smooth muscles. That means the muscle in your digestive system keep doing their thing without any reminders. 3. Cardiac muscle. The cardiac muscle is the muscle within the heart. The heart is made up of 3 layers. The thickest layer is the cardiac muscle. We need our heart to pump blood around the body. It's the most important muscle in our body. The cardiac muscle is an involuntary muscle, meaning it works on its own without any reminders. Let's recap. Vertebrates need their skeleton for 3 things: support, protection, and movement. There are 3 types of muscles: skeletal, smooth, and cardiac. All 3 have the body to function. Skeletal muscles need to work in pairs to help bones to move. These muscles also help the body to stay upright and to maintain good posture. Wow! Chief Studio.